Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Company. It's Friday, December 28th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and week for you. Overall, you saw a lot of quiet action into the grain markets this shortened holiday trade week. Really not a whole lot of movement. Soft soybeans be able to kind of muster up some strength at the end of the week, but still closing 2 cents lower on the week for soybeans. So they were up 13 3/4 today. I'm really not sure why. Could be a mix of maybe some dryness in Brazil, maybe some rumors of China coming in and buying more beans. Without USDA reporting export sales and private sales, we really don't have a good idea whether or not China came in and bought beans. We'll have to look at the basis at the ports and see if maybe that changes at all. But overall, really, you just aren't really going to be able to see those until we get the government back and open. Corn market on the day was up 1, down 3 cents on the week. Wheat markets a penny higher on Chicago wheat, a penny higher in Kansas City, and both of those lower on the week. So 2.5 lower on Chicago wheat, down 6 3/4. Minneapolis looking to close about 10 to 11 cents lower on the week. So that was probably your biggest movers as far as the grain markets go, but really very, very quiet trade. Meat markets had some strength in cattle markets. You saw live cattle actually 3.20 higher on the week. Feeders almost $2 higher on the week. Lean hogs just slightly negative as they're kind of in that same camp of soybeans, really struggling, kind of just sitting here until we get some more trade talks between the U.S. and China. They have a face-to-face meeting on January 7th scheduled. So as long as that happens, that should be positive to try and get together and see some ideas coming from them. Hopefully we have more ideas of what they've been buying since then. The biggest movers this week were definitely when you look at those outside markets, though they don't seem like it when you look on a weekly close. On a weekly close, they look actually like they're pretty quiet. It looks like crude oil was actually down 28 cents on the week. It had a $4.62 trading range, though. Dow market, definitely the biggest one here, up 200 points on the week, but overall throughout the week its trading range from low to high was 1,920 point swing. So you had a lot of volatility into those outside markets, a lot of movement, but overall closing closer to steady when everything shakes out by the end of the week. So moving forward, what we're going to looking at regular trading here on Monday the 31st. The markets will be closed on the 1st, so you do have that lack. We will also not be seeing CFTCs, managed money and index funds trading. They will not be releasing that, so we don't really have an idea what they've been doing. So we're just coming into another week with a little bit of a more quieter tone once again as far as the news front, unless we can get the government back up and running. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. Have a great day.